heavy with rains. I traced the road where all our hearts had met. Your shadow falls across the empty blur. How goes the lingers knocking at my a silent whisper secret I can't hide. A prodigal truth that thirsts me up inside. And still I walk beneath this endless rain. I'm reaching out, but you are far. I sing your name, but no, I stand alone. The tears keep falling, rivers through my hands. A dream of love I can't understand. It in the heart, your memory remains. A fragile flame that nothing can change. The down weakens, but it feels the same. A hollow morning, nothing leaves you blame. I walk in circles, searching through the haze. It's as if a memory I can't erase. The world keeps moving, but I stand behind. A prison built to the egos in my mind. And still I wait for something never near. I'm reaching out, but you are far away. The echoes of the world I tried to say. My heart still burns, although the flame is gone. I sing your name, but no, I stand alone. Nothing can change. If time could heal the scars that never fade, I'd trade it all for one more chance we made. But in this world where shadows take their hold, I'm living with silence and a heart broken cold. The soul we started keeps me whole. The rain I fall, but still I wait.